I'm going to remove some steps and replace them. And this is a set of steps that you can see has failed. The sand has gone in between the rocks. They're all at different levels. There's a low spot in this side over here. We're going to raise that up. We're going to take all the stones off, reset them, raise this up about an inch so that the same distance is there in here. You can see that there's pitch. If you look at the brick line on the porch, it's about 2 inches below here, and it comes up and almost touches the brick and then comes back down over there. There's a stone that's broken right here. Let's see if I can take that apart. So somebody has come across and put backer rod and caulking on this. So this will take a little bit of work to get this here off there completely. So we removed about half the stone so far on the step, and it's set in sand, and on a step I want to set it in wet mortar. That way we don't have leakage of sand going through the joints and causing problems later. Okay, there's the finished product. We have the client here. How do you like it?
I really like it. It looks very nice.
Thank
You did a great job.
Thanks. Would you recommend me to somebody else?
Absolutely.
And who are you going to call?
Eddie Greer.
Thanks.
Better Homes.